Hello everyone, this is Keerthan here. Today let's talk about something deep. So this is something been a work of me since last 3 to 5 years to work on, to find out why people are struggling in life, because we need to manage finance, health, relationship, energy, spirituality and things like that. And when we are juggling with so many balls, we feel stressed, we feel like lost. But the thing is that what we are all trying to have in life is balance. And balance does not mean something that which is settled, because whatever settles in life today, it stinks. For example, if water settles, it stinks. If it is a box, it's actually, if it is settled there for a certain time, so web comes in and the dust comes out and then it also goes out. So whatever settles in the planet Earth, it perishes. So we cannot settle with certain things, but we all know that we are all trying to have something called as well-being. All humans are trying to have these things in their life. And the thing is that, well-being can come in two forms. So the first one is called as immediate well-being. And the second one, which is something very profound, it's called as ultimate well-being. And let's start understanding, what do I mean by immediate well-being? So the name suggests that it is about immediate, right now, but it is not. So immediate well-being is about, for example, you are here and there are certain time you have and certain energy you have before you would be dead. And in that time, you want to create, you want to do more things, you want to give, you want to have. And these are something that, a place where you create something in the future. And for example, people want to have financial well-being. Financial well-being is something that it will not happen right now. It is something that you want to create in the future. And when it is something like that, it comes in immediate well-being. So having a great health. So right now, I want to have a great body in my life. It will not happen right now. So you need to work on it. So which means that immediate well-being always comes with where you want to go and where you are. And this gap fulfilling process is about immediate well-being, and it always comes with future focus. So what is that I want to create? But for that to have, you need to have an eye, or you need to have a vision where how would I look like if I want to have that kind of health? How would I be in a relationship? I want to have that kind of relationship I want to create. Or what kind of finance I need to create in my life. For that you require a perspective in life to look beyond what is possible. So that taken care well, then you are having an immediate well-being in the current life. And what it means by ultimate well-being. So the word ultimate seems to be something like something heavenly or godly nature. Or is it something that, Keerthan, I need to find somewhere some kind of forms of energy and have? No, it's not about that. So when I say ultimate, there is no thing called as ultimate somewhere else. The ultimate is always now and here. Now and here. It's all about now and here, because I call this moment right now is ultimate, because you cannot exist without this moment right now. And working on this, for example, in your immediate well-being, you have a goal saying that I want to create a lot of finance, health, relationship, but right now here in this moment you are feeling miserable. Do you think that you have an ultimate well-being? No, not at all. So you need to keep yourself in that moment right now here, feeling the joy, love, care, connection, and also feeling that happy, because ultimate well-being gives you a different kind of rich feeling than getting the money somewhere else. But both are important. Few people think it's only about now. So why I need to worry about future? Few people only think about future. They will forget the now and here. But both are the precious and important things we need to take care of in order to have a well-being which is full-fledged. Because as a humans, because all the creatures on the planet is trying to be a full-fledged. As a human, if you need to be a full-fledged, this is the purpose of life, where you work really hard on your immediate well-being. In the next video, I'm going to teach you about how can we have a balance, and I have created something called as balance wheel. I'm going to teach you in the next video, wherein how you can have that, how you can create that, a form where it is possible. Because whenever the word comes as balance, people think it's vague, it is not possible, it's about just an idea, it cannot be made real. But it's possible, because there are thousands of people who are already living that, but the thing is that very few people know about it. And the thing is that it's about taking care of the immediate well-being, which is future focused, and taking care of ultimate well-being, which is now and here. So this is very important. I hope that this video has added immense value in terms of to get a perspective of how to approach your life. So this is a lesson for this week. So thank you so much for watching. So look forward to see you in the next video.